Meaning of horrifically.
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 Horrifically. Horrifically is an adverb that describes something done or experienced in a manner that is extremely disturbing, shocking, and unpleasant. It indicates an event or situation that is deeply troubling and has caused intense emotional distress, fear, or suffering. The result of something being described as horrifically is an outcome that is characterized by extreme negativity and trauma. This term is often used to describe violent crimes, accidents, natural disasters, and other events that cause great harm to people, animals, or the environment. In summary, horrifically portrays an event or experience that is profoundly shocking and traumatizing.